Hey Alex, I've been hearing a lot about RAG lately and I'm kind of curious. Like what is it exactly? And why should we even care when we already have these, massive language models doing so much?
Oh, Stella, you're hitting on something really crucial. I'm glad you asked. See, traditional LLMs, they're brilliant, right? But they do have their downsides. Like, they're trained on data up to a certain point. So if you ask them about current events or something super specific to, say, your company's internal documents, they just can't. They have a knowledge cutoff date, which makes their info outdated pretty quickly. And honestly, they can sometimes just make things up. We call those hallucinations because they're so eager to please. It's a real problem for accuracy.
Hallucinations. Wow, that's a pretty intense way to put it, but it makes sense. So, if an LLM can't keep up or might just invent facts, where does RAG fit in? Is it like a fix for those issues?
Absolutely. It's a brilliant fix. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, basically gives LLMs superpowers by linking them to external, real-time knowledge sources. So instead of guessing, it can cite sources, which totally ups the accuracy and user trust.
Wow. Okay. So it's giving them access to new info. But how does that actually work? Like what's the technical magic behind linking an LLM to all this external data?
It's a clever three-stage process. First up is data prep. You take your documents, convert them, and chunk them into smaller, digestible pieces. These chunks get embedded into numerical vectors, mathematical representations of their meaning, and then stored in a vector database for efficient searching.
So, the vector database holds all these embedded chunks of information. That's way more sophisticated than I imagined. What happens next when someone actually asks a question? How does it, like, find the right info?
Exactly. That precise indexing is critical. The second stage is retrieval. When a user asks a question, RAG uses semantic search to quickly find the most relevant chunks from that vector database. It understands the intent behind your query.
Oh, I see. So it gets the best pieces, and then the LLM uses those to generate the answer?
Precisely. That's the third stage, generation. The LLM then combines its own vast knowledge with these highly specific retrieved facts to generate a precise, informed answer. It's pretty neat how it all comes together.
That really clarifies things. So it's this whole system that makes the LLM smarter and more current. But beyond just getting better answers, are there other big reasons why companies or developers would really invest in RAG?
Absolutely, Stella. Huge benefits. Think cost effectiveness. No expensive LLM retraining. Just update documents, cutting API costs. Then there's developer control for easy knowledge base updates. Crucially, data sovereignty and privacy. Sensitive data stays secure on-premise, not exposed during training. This is a game changer for customer service chatbots using company policies or healthcare systems leveraging research, all while protecting patient data. RAG makes all that possible.